want to talk to you. You want me to stop talking? Do you want me to stop talking? Because everybody who knows me from the fabric of existence knows if I stop talking, somebody's gonna get hurt. If you put your hands on me, I'm gonna break your jaw.
Well, we can't help you if you don't tell us what's going on. But I do like this version of you better.
All four. Go, you're any mileage?
Nothing?
30. 97.
A smile is good.
Hello friends, Squink here, former cop, future Disney makeup artist, here to use my law enforcement background to break down another video and to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Midwest Safety. Woman assaults police outside gas station. Never seen it, walking in blindly, reacting in real time. Here we go.
The lady in the Afghan been coming in and out of here for hours. She's just stealing. She'll pay for any of her beverages.
You do want her trespassed?
Yeah.
Or? Okay.
Yeah, she keeps stealing. So.
Ma'am? Hi. Sorry, I didn't get your information. What's your name?
Do you have a name?
What's your name?
Do you have a name?
Yeah, Officer Silva from Sarasota Police Department.
Can I see your birth certificate and your social security number?
No.
Are you going to ask me for mine?
Ma'am, you're being currently at this time trespassed. You understand that, right? What's your name? Can we talk about this? Do you want to have a conversation with me?
Don't put your hands on me. You have no right to. What if I was a mute? What if I was deaf?
You're not though, so.
Why are you taking your gloves out?
Because you're being trespassed and you're not listening.
You see how I have to disarm this man right now?
I'm just trying to have a conversation.
Out of me as a human being. That would be abuse to the court.
I'm just trying to have a conversation.
You can get a headshot from the building behind you.
You want to try talking to her?
Yeah, what's the problem? Excessive talking is a sign of abuse.
Right now, I just want you to leave.
Yeah, you just want me to leave. Just like you shot me the up and I had every fake name tag violating me in my court and I still talk you to the court. And I'm still giving you the tools back so that you don't kill your selves.
Clearly some mental health issues going on here. A person who doesn't suffer from mental illness typically doesn't talk in this manner, so that's where we're at, I think.
Can you stop disrespecting my son to the court? Why is he not going to rip your face off?
Hey, why are we...
Why do I have to not worry that my own son is going to go through a psychological, traumatic, psychotic breakdown? Why would I not think that my own son could gut you to the court and he never be like that or harm you like that in your life? Do you think this is funny because I can regulate this as a human being, that you're not watching a real human experience, and I could kill you? I could drain all of you right now when you have weapons on you, and my son could still come in here and ravage their cores. What is wrong with you?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Do you want to die right now? Would you want to die right now? Would you want to stick a gun so deep in my mother mouth when my hand's locked out on this ground? Are you built like that?
I just wanted
You're
to leave.
abusing the out of me, and I'm not out of control, and I wouldn't need a hospital, and I can rearrange your...
Okay, so just the shot. The business owner doesn't want her there, so they have every right to trespass her, but she's not cooperating, unfortunately. So it's going to get to the point where if she doesn't leave and verbally talking through this with her is not working, they're going to have to put hands on her. There's just sometimes that's unavoidable. Is it unfortunate she's clearly suffering from a mental breakdown of some sort? Yes, but she's making this decision and they have a job to do, so they're going to put hands on her. I'm telling you that right now.
Homes. You can't even have them anymore. I told you they're going to give them back. I own them all. I better grab gloves real quick.
Yeah.
You can leave and go to the hospital. Your choice.
I don't need to go to the hospital. I don't need to go to the hospital.
No.
I need to get real human rest. And if somebody doesn't understand what the is going on right now, how many more times can I do this lens right in front of your face? You're exterminating my family.
She's being extremely disorderly.
I'm
I
gonna
will
talk
say
to you.
that.
You want me to stop talking? Do you want me to stop talking? Because everybody who knows me from the fabric of existence knows if I stop talking, somebody's gonna get hurt. If you put your hands on me, I'm gonna break your jaw.
Okay, so they got two options here. They can put her under an emergency protective custody order and try to get her some mental health and she cannot check herself out under an EPC, or she goes to jail for failing to listen and disorderly conduct and trespassing because she's still refusing to leave after being told she's not wanted there.
Are you prepared to shoot me in my...
You know her?
I come here every
If you
morning.
are, you better come and lock it.
You know her name?
I don't know her name. I buy them coffee every morning. She has psychological problems, obviously, like serious. She
Clearly.
doesn't talk. She never speaks.
Okay.
But she's like totally harmless.
She
You don't know her
she's
name,
just-
first name?
No, I don't. She never speaks. She never says a word. I've never spoken to her. I come here every morning. I buy them coffee, all the homeless here. But she's always been like a mute. She doesn't speak. She doesn't say anything.
So she's letting it all out today?
Yeah, I guess she's non-threatening, like totally non-threatening.
Do you want to die right now?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
She usually just sits there and kind of mumbles to herself.
Is she on
It's
anything?
very odd. I'm sure she is, yeah.
We're going to take all this with us.
You're
Everything's
endangering
okay.
everybody on this block, you stupid.
Everything's okay. Here, come on.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
You're bad to your fucking court.
I think this is going to have to be a Baker Act.
Yeah, absolutely.
Get out of my back.
Baker Act, emergency protective custody.
At the car, break your face. Stop
If you
touching
can,
my son.
if you can have a conversation with her,
We just relax, dude.
at least have him try to calm her down. But I was this close to tasing her.
This is a little wacky.
That's the most I've ever said to her since I've been here helping them. So
He's so hurt right now. He's like, I bought you coffee every morning, damn it.
No, I thought she would have like calmed down, like talking maybe to a female, like
Nope. I don't think that was going to be the solution.
yeah.
I couldn't even get a word in, and I'm not going to scream to communicate. So
I felt so bad, you know, and I wanted to ask you permission if I can give her some money.
I can't tell you what to do, but I highly don't think it's a good idea. No. Just going to feed the problem, I think.
I think by doing
Ma'am.
that, you're rewarding her
Yeah.
for her attitude. You know what I mean?
Or she's going to go buy alcohol.
She does not know.
She doesn't.
All right.
Thank you.
Ma'am, money's not going to help this situation. Have you not been watching what's happening?
I'm not going to be of any use, I don't think, but she's not responded to me not one time.
I appreciate it, though.
I think she's just a little crazy. But
Thank
she's
you,
here
sir.
every single
Yes.
day, every morning. That's why I'm here, because I come here every morning. And
All
I
right,
see
you buy
them
him
all
coffee.
Here. So I buy the coffee, because they always ask.
Yes, you're a good
Not
person.
her, but the guys. But she's never asked for anything, and I think she's pretty harmless. But she's crazy.
We'll
so,
see.
Yeah.
I mean, anything can happen.
Yeah.
Sir, you do know the video is titled Woman Assaults Police Outside Gas Station, right? So that would lead me to believe she's not very harmless.
Appreciate you trying.
Yeah.
Good effort. Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
The suspect now sits on a curb of the next door property. Officers decide to speak with her further to attempt to give her bag back and give her help if she accepts it.
So the reason they're not leaving is because they know damn well that they're going to get another call if they do leave. And all of her stuff is still sitting on the property she's been trespassed from verbally. So they can't just leave this situation.
Calm down now. You just can't come back on this property. You want your bag back? I'm a little worried about you. I've never seen you before. I don't know you, so I'm a little concerned. Are you okay? Well, we can't help you if you don't tell us what's going on. But I do like this version of you better.
All for Phil, you're any mileage?
Nothing?
30, 97.
A smile is good. Can we help you with anything? Do you understand you can't go back on this property? You do? Oh, you don't? I'm pretty sure if you stay here, they're going to call next. So what are we going to do? Negotiate her?
I can tell you're upset and frustrated. Do you think we can help you out? Maybe take you to the hospital, get you some food there?
Do you want me to take you to the hospital? You would never make it to a hospital. You want me to send you to your mother's f***ing doorstep in a box, stupid?
I'm just trying to help you.
F***ing corner to send you to your mother's house in a f***ing box. Because I can open this the f*** up now and show you how to f***ing use that gun, stupid.
Well, we didn't get far, did we?
There's no guns in there. Dead bodies in there.
Is she going back on that property? If she goes back on that if she goes back, they just take her to
I knew
jail
that
for
smile wasn't
trespassing.
genuine. It wasn't anything other than...
It was evil.
It was an evil smile, yeah.
I don't think she likes me.
She doesn't like you. Every time you speak, she gets violent.
She hates you, and then she directs it towards me, and I'm like, I'm confused.
I thought I was saying the right things, but
She's going to force our hand.
yep. can't
They're
be doing this all
exhausting
day.
their options.
You want your stuff?
She's gonna fight him.
You want your stuff?
Are you gonna shoot me with a taser? 'Cause
I mean, you're flexing on me right now. I've been trying to have a conversation with you.
They need to grab her. They need to grab her. She is clearly controlling this entire situation, and the police are there to do that. So the police need to gain control from her because she's walking all over them right now.
My suggestion is do not force it into where you get into the street. At that point, that's not worth it. Do not. If you're getting close to the street, don't even bother.
Yeah.
I don't care about her attitude and how she is, but I care about us.
What do you think, mace or taser? You guys are big on mace stuff.
I think once we get our hands on her.
Just, yeah. Why are we using taser and OC when we have hands? There's some officers you'll see. You'll learn that are very, very afraid to go hands-on because they're worried they're going to get hurt. The auxiliary weapons, such as the taser and the mace, enable them to use force from a distance. It's much safer, but you'll see that failing to go hands-on a lot of the times escalates things to points they don't need to get to. And we might see that here.
She's not going to be too bad to handle.
No.
Yeah, one of us is going to have to get her from behind. Distraction.
Because otherwise, she'll definitely try to throw hands, I think.
Yeah, that's part of your job, guys. Once in a while, people are going to fight you.
I'll break his f***ing jaw. If I ever call my son talking about food and water.
She's clearly causing a disturbance. They need to get a handle of this.
She's like squirrely. You can't like keep her.
I know, she just, usually people are much more stationary.
I'm going to try and flank her.
She's so skinny. Just grab her. Grab her and put her into cuffs. Control the situation. Move on.
Where is my stuff?
I kick.
Stop
Remember,
kicking.
guys,
Get down to the
she
ground.
chose this. She
Put your
chose
hands
this.
behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop kicking. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your
If
back.
three of them can't control this situation, I don't know what to say.
You're gonna kick me in the face. Enough.
They're still abusing and hurting me. Do you see this? They're still hurting me. And I'm not resisting arrest.
Stop resisting.
They're
Literally
punching
are.
me. They're kicking me,
resisting.
trying to break my bones. Is that
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah. See what she's doing? She's pulling her hands in an attempt to get them underneath her so then they cannot control the situation by placing the handcuffs on her. That is literally resisting arrest. It's that simple.
Right now.
But she has mental health issues. Right, but she still has to do what they say, and she can't cause a disturbance in a public area. That's a crime. She's refusing any type of help that they offer. They exhausted their options. This is where we're at.
Stevie, they're gonna kill your son. They're gonna kill your son. They're killing him right now. I'm telling you this, Stevie. They're killing your son.
You got this one?
You're gonna break my arm. You're not
Stop resisting.
You're gonna make me George Floyd. I can't breathe. I have bone cancer and I probably have it in my lungs. Stop. And I'm dehydrated. And my bones are breaking and I have bone cancer.
Sit up.
And my family has been abused to the core and we were all killed.
Psychopath. Stop.
Roll it towards me.
11260 and 1 white female 1015.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
Break my arms off. Go ahead. Stop my facing. Stop my facing. Go ahead. They did this to me already. I'm multiple if you do not.
Yeah, very clearly mental health issues.
Get her arm upside down.
Yep, I got it.
You see that a lot with the homeless. And it's sad. It really is. But
Stop
they
resisting.
have a
You're
job
gonna kill
to
me.
do.
It's over. We're gonna die together. You're breaking my bones. You're hurting my vessel to the core. And I'm already dying. Stop! My f***ing arm.
Keep it up.
The female officer's getting
tendons.
Are you gonna stop resisting?
You're breaking my tendons in my shoulder.
Are you gonna stop resisting?
They're already broken. You already broke me. Who's tearing?
All right.
Told you.
Stop resisting then.
We get her in. I'll pull this with with her legs.
All right, let's go.
She's gonna start kicking. Oh wow. Very calm now. Very good.
Got me in the face, I'm pretty sure. Stop.
She's out of her mind.
Yeah.
Right.
They just talking with the other side of the door open.
Any spray, any taser, just hands? She have any injuries?
No, but she kicked Laura in the face.
You okay?
Thought I tasted blood, but
Probably
I
did.
mean, you're kind of like...
that's where she got. I felt it like here.
Hi. Are you okay? I have to ask, I'm the sergeant on duty. Are you okay?
If I don't get my f***ing back and you don't get these f***ing cuffs off of me, family's gonna rearrange your family. Get these f***ing cuffs off of me and get my f***ing property right now.
Okay, first of all, you're not going to threaten me?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, this isn't a threat. I've been abused to my core by your fake departments right now.
You're going to be
Are you
charged
cops?
with...
Well, because my whole family is the real government, so I'm confused on what the f*** you're doing.
Okay, you have a great day.
Yeah, we tried, man. We tried.
Now it's battery on a Leo. They can work that out. No, she just threatened me. She just said, you better get these cuffs off me or your family's going to...
The sergeant's like, you guys aren't going to believe what she just said to me. Yeah, Sarge, she's been saying way crazier shit to us in the preceding hour, so you'll be okay.
Gonna be gone. So.
She's adjust multiple times too.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I can feel it like
Yeah, she is.
lumped on the inside.
So I would probably go to the clinic, and I'm just saying that because you're like swelling.
Yeah.
You look like you have a big chew in your mouth.
And I
The
do.
sergeant's like, you look really ugly. You're getting uglier as the swelling keeps happening. So you're very ugly. Please go get checked out.
Not you.
Sarge, why are you
I
being
just
so
spit,
rude
and
to
I
me?
didn't see any blood. Well, why don't
So-
I help transport? Once she's in and confined, then I go to the clinic.
Hi, ma'am. Can I just get your information?
Yeah.
Thank you.
As long as you don't give it to her, because she seemed a little crazy. Is she crazy?
No, it's not gonna.
Why would we
yeah,
give it
you
to
didn't see
her?
the little
I did. I
wrestling
was
match
like,
back there? Yeah.
You
She had lots to say to me, so.
Yeah, I know. I heard her. I was like, dang.
But okay, Melanie, thank you so much. Sorry, could I bother
Thanks,
you with
Mel.
for a
Can I
cup of
call you
water?
Mel?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can just help yourself.
Just grab anything. All right, thank you.
This suspect was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. The suspect...
Wowie. All right, other than failing to take control of the situation much sooner than I thought they should have, I think they did a really good job of utilizing every other option before they had to go hands-on with her. They verbally tried to de-escalate, they offered her help, they verbally trespassed her. After a certain amount of time, they have to get control of the situation. You can't just go around, scream things in public, threaten people in public, and raise just a disaster of a situation without repercussions. Now, they offered her mental health help as well, and she didn't take to any of that. So, unfortunately, she's going to go to jail because she assaulted a police officer. It is what it is. The system is not perfect. I wish there was more mental health resources, but unfortunately, there's just not sometimes. And when it escalates to that point of an officer being assaulted, that's going to take precedence. Hopefully, through the court, they offer her mental health assistance if this is something that keeps happening with her. Only time will tell. We can only hope for the best for her. I give the police I'm going to go with a 7.4 just because they didn't take control of the situation a lot sooner, and I just feel like they were there for an unnecessary amount of time. I do these videos every single day, mostly. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next one.